Okay, good morning. So I wanted to give like a quick OOT of the day. Today's the day I'm going to a hairstyle media event. If you guys are interested in learning more about them, I definitely recommend checking out their Instagram page. I'm gonna go ahead and put that down below so you can check it out. But they're having an event today at the Twitter headquarters at like 6 o'clock. So I'm going directly after work. I should have planned out what I was wearing last night, but I didn't, and I woke up late this morning and I was like struggling to put something together, but this is what I came up with. So I have one of those t-shirts from that Boohoo try on that I got, just the Ramones tee, really relaxed fit, just some jeans, and then I have my Uggs on for now, just for work, and then I have like patent leather booties at my desk that I'm gonna put on later. And then I brought my makeup kit and all that, and I'm just gonna wear this cute little bag. So just trying to give like a cute little look, but I do need to go because I'm running super late this morning. But I wanted to come out here and say good morning. Let's start this day. I'm excited about my day because you know how when you have things to do after work, it just makes you look forward to the end of work and just a good day and good energy. That's just how I'm feeling. So let's start this Thursday off good. And yeah, let me head out before I'm like really late. So this is what you do when you have somewhere to be when you get off of work and you didn't want to wear your makeup all day. So I'm in our like private bathroom and I'm like whispering only for the simple fact that people are probably walking past and can hear me. So they closed this bathroom at 5 o'clock. So I was like, let me just come in here and like get myself together really quickly. So I brought my makeup. Okay, so I'm off for work and I'm on train and I'm actually headed to Best Buy because when I dropped my camera earlier, I broke it. So like the screen is all messed up and my anxiety about this camera is just like too high for me to go to the event because I only had it for like 4 days. Like I literally just got it on Saturday and today's only Thursday. So I'm about to go. I made an appointment really quickly with Geek Spot. I bought like the full service protection for it. So hopefully they can like immediately fix my camera, and then if I have enough time to like get back on the subway and go to the event, then I'll go to the event. Like I change my shoes and all that stuff like that. But this camera is like main priority because my whole mood and attitude and everything changed like once I dropped it. And the reason why I dropped it was because of the tripod that I had, and the tripod just was like a cheap, not too good tripod to have for this expensive ass camera. So I'm going to actually just buy a new tripod while I'm in here. I seen one that a lot of like big YouTubers use that seems really sturdy, so I'm gonna check it out and get that. But we gotta get this camera fixed. That's priority right now. This is can't be doing that. It's brand new. Only had it for a couple of days. So let me run into this Best Buy. Hopefully they're nice. Okay, so this is an update. I'm in Best Buy. So they have to send my camera off to get fixed. 2 weeks. 2 freaking weeks. I'm gonna go ahead and just get taken care of now because I really need my camera back for Thanksgiving and Vlogmas and all that. But I'm kind of low-key, like I'm upset with myself, but I can't help that it fell off. This like cheap ass tripod, like this is stressing me out. I've been like really recorded and consistent and my camera falls. Like, so now I don't even know what to do. I guess I go back to vlogging on my phone, but I gotta send my camera off to get fixed. So
you being helped?
yeah, thank you. So this is the last vlog that you guys will see. I'm not going to the event. I'm definitely going home now because I have an attitude. Wow, I'm going to Wendy Williams on Monday. I needed my camera. You know what? I'm trying to think of what I could do. trying to think of what I can do. I'm gonna think of a finesse because I can't wait 2 weeks. Ooh, child. Okay, so I'm back at home now. I just decided to just keep the camera because I had like the cameras, people in the camera section look at it, and he was just like, it's not that bad. So he was like, if everything's still working, you're good or whatever. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just keep it until I have like 2 weeks to spare of time, I feel like. I probably would drop it off Monday afternoon. Yeah, afternoonish to go take it to get repaired or whatever, because I'm going to the Wendy Williams show on Monday, so I want to record. So I was like, I need my camera for that. My dad and brother are coming up this weekend, so we're gonna be on moves. I need to record for that. So I just have like stuff coming up in like the next couple of days that I just feel like I really needed to record. And I just got my camera, I just got my baby, so I was just like, I need it. So the dude helped me get a better tripod because this is the one that I picked up. I honestly just picked up the first little thing I'd seen from the Best Buy that I went to because I was just so excited to get a new camera. But now I have like a legit tripod. Like I spent $50 on this damn tripod. So this thing, let me put y'all down. This thing better be a fucking one. My hair is soaking wet because it started pouring down raining. So like my evening has just turned into a whole ordeal. Of course I didn't go to the event because like my mood was shot. And then it starts raining. Like pouring down raining, so I'm like bad bitching it out in my good shoes, hair getting all wet. Good thing my hair, you know, it flourishes when it gets wet. So I felt like I was giving real bad bitch Naomi Campbell walking on the runway, walking in the rain just now with the lights and everything. So Jesus. Let's see what this thing is hitting for as much as it costs. This damn tripod, I better be able to snap, bend, all types of stuff. The dude was really cool though. He was very helpful. And was like, yeah, this is kind of like the best, not the best, but a way better sturdy one. And it's by the brand Joby, which I've seen a lot of good things about from this. And I can use it for my phone. Okay, so you guys are on it. It does a lot of bendy situations. It's like really sturdy. The only thing that the downside about it was because, hold on, focus on me, focus on me. Because this was like so much smaller, I could fit it in my purse and everything like that. And this one is like way bigger. So that might be a problem too. There is another one by this brand that I see all the time. Let me cut this big light on. All the time that Best Buy just didn't have. So I might have to go look at another Best Buy to get it. Because this, let me just show y'all. It's like just, this part is just too big. Like I needed to just be cut in like half for me to hold it and stuff like that. So yeah. Since I've had like a day, because like my camera dropping has made me distraught. I'm gonna order some protectors and stuff like that from off Amazon because I cannot damage this camera. I can't. So I need to figure out if I'm going to cook or not. So our kitchen sink is broken. This is about to be really disgusting, so prepare yourself. Our kitchen sink is like disgusting and broken. The water doesn't drain down or whatever. So I'm like, it's been a struggle washing dishes for like the past 2 days. So I'm like, do I even want to deal with it to cook? Because I have to cook me some lunch for tomorrow. So I was like, oh, I can make tacos with some like meatless meat or something like that. And I would just have to walk to the store and get a taco kit really quickly. But I'm really debating if I even want to like be in this kitchen. And also I'm not even really hungry. What is that? Oh, so I have like, yesterday I made shrimp tempura, cauliflower fried rice, and veggie egg rolls. I have that prepped to eat for dinner, but I have to worry about tomorrow, what am I gonna eat? So I don't know. I still have time if I want to walk to the store and get some what is that stuff called? A taco mix to make tacos. I'm really debating. I need to be responsible and like not spend money on food, so I think I am going to walk. So let me put some shoes on. My rain boots are at the front door. So yeah, let me go ahead and just go to this good Dollar General down the street and get some taco mix and some tortilla chips, because I have like this really good pineapple salsa that I want to try as well. So I'm gonna head out. So I didn't bring the camera with me because it's pouring down right now, and we don't need any more camera issues for today. So I got some wine, got some raspberry verde because I'm gonna have a Lex night. Then I got some tortilla chips for that pineapple salsa I was talking about, and then stuff to just make the tacos. So I'm making beefless ground beef tacos. Literally the beef, well, the meatless meat tastes like regular meat. Like there's no difference. It seasons actually better. So I'm just gonna make that with like some corn. I like to put corn in my tacos. Usually I like to make beans, but I don't have any, so I'm not doing beans today. And then a little avocado, green peppers, and onions I'm gonna put in it. What else? And that's kind of it. I'm gonna eat that tonight because I love freaking Mexican food. If you guys do not know, Mexican food is like the only thing that can make me happy in life. So I'm gonna make that, drink my wine, maybe cheer me up a little bit, because I'm still distraught. Still freaking distraught, because I'm trying to post y'all somewhere. Sorry. No, you're fine. Post y'all. Okay, so this is what the meatless meat looks like. It literally looks like ground beef, like no difference, but it's just soy based. And I have like my veggies over there or whatever, and then you just cook it. It takes a few minutes to cook down. Once it turns like a darker brown is when you know that it's cooked all the way. And then I'm gonna put my taco seasoning and stuff like that. And yeah, simple. And it comes in a packet, the whole package like this, and you don't even have to use the whole thing. You can just store it, whatever. It's not good to eat a lot of soy, so I probably won't eat this till like the end of next week or so, like that, to finish it off. But for tonight and then tomorrow night, I'm just gonna eat this little bit of tacos and let this cook. Update on my sink. I was able to clean it and get all like the food and stuff like that was stuck, but it's still stocked up. So my landlord is gonna have to come get it fixed. And I think that we're having like pipe issues because the water for the faucet, it like hesitates. And hopefully, let's see if it does it. No, it didn't do it. It like hesitates, then comes out. So I feel like it's stopped up somehow, some way. So we're gonna have to get that fixed, because who wanna keep like struggle with washing dishes every night? We don't have a dishwasher, so that's like our only source of washing dishes. So it's like a really huge inconvenience that the sink is acting the way that it is. And then our tub was acting crazy, so I think altogether it's just like a pipe issue. So yeah, he needs to like come fix everything and answer the phone, or bruh man ain't getting no rent. Period.